Robot dogs are no longer science fiction. They're patrolling military bases, guarding Space Force installations, and walking through disaster zones right now. In just a few years, these machines have leapt from experimental prototypes to frontline tools, reshaping how nations think about security, industry, and disaster response. These machines aren't just changing battlefields, they're changing how we respond to crises at home. But this transformation didn't happen overnight. It's the result of a global race, a race to build machines that can go where humans can't, endure what humans shouldn't, and operate in environments too dangerous, too remote, or too unpredictable for anyone else. So how did we get here, and which countries are shaping this new era of robotics? To understand the story, we begin with one of the biggest players, the United States. The US is home to one of the most advanced robot dog ecosystems on the planet. American companies, universities, and the military have pushed quadruped robotics from lab curiosity to field-ready machines that don't just walk, but work. One of the most recognizable examples is Spot, created by Boston Dynamics. Spot is built for real-world environments, climbing stairs, crossing rubble, and carrying sensors into places too dangerous for humans. It's become a fixture on construction sites, power plants, mines, and disaster response missions. Spot's greatest strengths are its mobility and reliability, the ability to go almost anywhere and keep moving. But Spot is only the beginning. The US military has accelerated the field with Ghost Robotics Vision 60, a high-endurance, all-weather quadruped designed for the world's toughest environments. With four-legged agility, it climbs stairs, scrambles over rocks, and pushes through swamps where wheels and tracks fail. Even if it slips or flips, it recovers instantly and can operate fully inverted. Rated IP67, it thrives from -40 to 55 degrees Celsius, marching for hours or standing watch for nearly a full day. Its blind mode lets it navigate tall grass, mud, snow, and harsh sunlight when other robots freeze. With open architecture, quick swap parts, and mission-ready autonomy, the Vision 60 acts as a force multiplier, extending awareness and reducing workload across every deployment. Then there's Asalon Robotics Drone Dog, a quadruped built for automated security patrols. Working in tandem with aerial drones, it forms a 24/7 monitoring system. The US Space Force already uses Drone Dog to help secure sensitive facilities, blending ground and air robotics into a single autonomous network. And behind the scenes, American universities are shaping the next generation. At MIT, the Mini Cheetah is a fast, lightweight platform for studying movement and artificial intelligence. At Carnegie Mellon University, researchers are developing quadrupeds that can make rapid decisions and adapt to unpredictable terrain. These academic projects often become the foundation for future commercial and military robots. Together, Spot, the Vision 60, Drone Dog, the Mini Cheetah, and CMU's research platforms show why the United States remains a global leader in robot dog technology. With strong industry, active military testing, and world-class research, the US has built one of the fastest-moving robotics ecosystems anywhere in the world. But the United States is only one chapter in a much larger story. Around the world, other nations are building their own quadrupeds, some inspired by American designs, others taking bold, unconventional paths. Some focus on military power, others on disaster response, industry, or national security. And in a few places, the technology is advancing even faster than you might expect. In the next episode, we travel to China, where a very different robotics philosophy is reshaping the future of quadrupeds and challenging America's early lead.
This episode is just the beginning. The United States is only one chapter in the global story of robot dog technology. In the next episode, we travel to China, a nation moving fast, taking bold risks, and reshaping the future of quadrupeds in its own way. Thanks for watching and for joining me on this journey. If you want to keep exploring the world's most fascinating tech and history stories, head over to my channel, Andrew's Blast Through Time. You can find it at youtube.com/@Andrew'sBlastThroughTime. And if you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing. It's completely free, and it helps the series grow. I'll see you in the next chapter.